Good morning, dear children. Once again, welcome back to the online classes. In the last few classes, we were discussing about minerals. We learned about metallic minerals. And today onwards, we will study about non-metallic minerals. What are non-metallic minerals? The minerals which not contain the metals. The minerals which not contain the metals. And we will study about two important non-metallic minerals, that is limestone and mica. First, let us study about the limestone. Uses of limestone. Limestone is an important raw materials in different industries. What are the industries which are using the limestone? The industries like chemicals, paper, cement, iron and steel, glass and fertilizers. These are the different types of industries which are using the limestone as their raw materials. And this raw material is available in almost all the states of India. Now let us study about the distribution of limestone in India. Large quantity of limestone is available in different states of India. These states are Bihar, Odisha, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. These are the different states of India in which a large quantity or large reserves of limestone available in India. Now let us study about the distribution of limestone in the world. China is the leading producer of limestone in the world, followed by Bangladesh, Pakistan, Japan, Brazil and Germany. Now let us study about another important non-metallic mineral, that is mica. Mica is used in paints as pigment exterior and also helps to brighten the tone of colored pigments. It is mainly used in the paints. Okay, the second use of mica is as an insulator because it is the superior quality insulator. It is the best quality insulator. So in the electrical industry, it is used as thermal insulator, and in the electronic equipment industry, it is used as an electrical insulator. It has high capacity to stand against the high voltage. The distribution of mica. Distribution of mica in India. Andhra Pradesh is the leading producer of mica in India, followed by Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Bihar, etc. The distribution of mica in the world. The main mica producers are France, India, Argentina and Madagascar. Now let us study about fossil fuels or mineral oils. Fossil fuels are formed over millions of years. Okay, it will take millions of years to form the fossil fuel. And from where they are formed? They are formed from the fossils or remains of dead animals and plants that were buried under the soil or rocks. Okay, buried under the soil or rocks. Heat from inside the earth and pressure from the rocks change these fossils into coal, oil and natural gas. Because it takes millions of years to form, they are called or they are considered as non-renewable resources. Fossil fuels are considered as a non-renewable fuels because it will take thousands of years to form. Fossil fuels or mineral fuels, which include coal, oil and natural gas, are currently the primary energy source of the world. Now let us study in detail about coal. Coal is the major source of power. Coal is an important source of power. From the burning of coal, we are getting the source of heat energy. It is a conventional source of energy. Coal is a conventional source of energy. It is an inflammable organic substance composed of hydrocarbons found in sedimentary rocks. What are coal? Coal is an inflammable organic substance composed of hydrocarbons, and where they are found? They are found in sedimentary rocks. Since it is the main source of power, most of the industries like iron and steel industry and a number of variety of chemical industries depend upon the availability of coal for their power source. Uses of coal. Coal is used for the generation of power. It is used in the generation of electric power for the mineral-based industries such as iron and steel and cement, etc. It is still used as a domestic fuel in many parts of our country. Depending upon the percentage of carbon present, there are 4 varieties of coal. They are anthracite, bituminous, lignite and peat. Bituminous coal is the most widely used variety of coal. Coal reduces the dependency on other sources of fuel, especially the petroleum fuels. It is much safer as compared to nuclear energy. It is versatile, mainly used for generating the power, and its byproducts. Coal tar is used to produce phenol, kerosene oil, naphthalene and other chemicals. Aspirian soap, dyes and fabrics are also made from the byproducts of coal. Distribution of coal. In India, coal is mostly associated with the Gondwana series of rocks and is primarily found in the peninsular India. Jharkhand has the largest reserves of coal. The other states in which coal is produced are Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, etc. Ratnagiri is the main coal field of West Bengal. Coal is also found in Andhra Pradesh. Distribution of coal in the world. USA is the leading producer of coal in the world. The other important countries in which coal reserves are found: Russia, Ukraine, China, UK, Germany, Poland, Canada, Australia, South Africa, Spain. These are the countries where coal reserves are found in the world. Thank you very much. Thank you.